Hello, welcome to 95 Scooter Guy. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the various documents you will need to ride a scooter. These documents will help you avoid embarrassments while you're riding. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, let me open the trunk so we can view the various documents. One tip, always carry around your documents. It is very important. So here we have it. The first document you will need is your rider's card. It is similar to your driver's license, and this is what it looks like for the slip that is given to you. And it takes a while for you to get the receipt, so this is what you get. It contains your name, your local government, the branch where you did it, and a number with your photograph attached to it. Now, this doesn't look like a card. This is a slip that shows that you have registered for it and you have paid for it. I did this about 2 years ago, and I'm still yet to receive my ID card. The next thing you need is a plate number. Now, you can only get this after you have bought the motorcycle. So when you do the plate number, you're given this, and it takes your name, your address, the file number, the plate number, your engine number, your chassis number, your motorcycle make, the color, and some other details. The next thing you need to do is your certificate of ownership, and that's this yellow one here. If you look at the title, it says certificate of title to motorcycle. It carries your name, address, your serial number, your plate number, and all the likes. And this normally comes immediately when you're doing your plate number. You just do this with it. Now you can check if your bike is registered on their website. It's called AutoReg. You can easily Google that and check it out. And this you must renew. I believe you must renew this. The next thing after that is your insurance, and this I know you must renew every year. It's still the same thing. It has the same look as the certificate of title, but it just on the heading it just says general motor receipt. It shows that you paid for it. And the next one is the insurance paper. It still carries the same details. The next document I carry around is my receipt for purchase of the motorcycle. Now, a lot of people might say, why do you need to carry this around? This is for policemen, and it is good to just have it because those policemen in Nigeria can be very, very stubborn at times. The next thing is the identification sticker, and this is for both commercial and private motorcycles. We advise you to get this, and this is to prevent all those area boys from disturbing you. Once you have this, you must renew this every year. If you look at past year 2023, so by 2024, if I'm still riding this bike, I have to renew this. The next thing is the local government sticker, or what they call it, the Hackney permit. Make sure when you get the Hackney permit, you get a receipt. On the receipt, I want to show you some key points. On the receipt, you should carry the name of the issuer, you should carry your plate number, you should carry the date, you should carry a signature, then it should carry a serial number. If you look at the serial number here, is 14976, and on the sticker too, to have the same 14976. Always make sure you collect the receipts. One more tip, always make sure if you are in Lagos State and you have a scooter, Lagos State does not allow registration of scooters anymore, so I would advise you to come down to Ogun State and get your scooter registered. Then you can go to Lagos State and get the other things. But if you're in Ogun State and you navigate into Lagos State, I would advise you, once you do your plate number registration, make sure you get a rider's card in Lagos State as well, and also there are local governments there as well to avoid some disturbance. So that's that on 95 Scooter Guy. If you enjoyed the video, stay tuned.